To increase vehicle uptime, the addition of oil analysis at regularly scheduled intervals will save money by limiting guesswork, increase part life, maximize oil change intervals, provide predictive maintenance planning, and prevent failures. Lab results are only as good as the tools, method, and container used to gather the sample. Weller recommends utilizing a vacuum pump, single-use vacuum hose, and individually sealed lab kits for consistent results. First step is getting the vehicle and all driveline components to operating temperature. It is ideal to pull all samples through the fill plug. This will prevent fluid loss, confirm the oil is at the correct level, and prevent cross-contaminating the oil sample. Next, insert the vacuum hose and cut to desired length. Connect the hose to the vacuum pump. Waiting until this point to open the sample container will prevent contamination. Completely fill the sample container, then immediately close to prevent external contamination. This method, tools, and sample kit can be replicated on all driveline axles, transmission, and engine. The vacuum hose is single use and needs to be discarded after every sample. For the lab to return the most accurate analysis, the submission form must be completed. Specify the lubrication type and brand, vehicle application, the component serial number, and miles or hours on the oil. Lab analysis results are typically made available within 24 hours of receiving the sample. If you have any questions or need additional resources, download our app, visit our website at www.wellertruck.com, call 1-800-872-6697, or email info@wellertruck.com.